ServicePLEX is an assembly of quality service wire single conductors twisted together to create a uniform construction, effectively functioning as prefab wire pull. This is easy to install multi-conductor cable is a great solution for longer pulls. What may have required 4 individual reels before could easily be replaced with a single reel of service. Contractors who use ServicePLEX reported 50 to 70% combined material and labor savings. Plus, service wire will cover the twist loss on our end, so you don't have to pay extra for this value-added service. ServicePLEX is easily installed in conduit, cable tray, or direct burial applications. And just like ServicePLEX, it is available in all industry standard colors, 14 gauge through 750 kc mil, in XHW-2, USE-2, or RHW-2. It is also available silicon free. Service wire offers shorter than industry lead times for Plex in our colors or black, and we can even cut ServicePLEX lengths by specific pulls or install pulling hands upon request. There are a ton of options for this unique product.